It's so hot. But I forgot my script. Oh yes. Hello, welcome to new vlog, unboxing vlog. The thing we're about to unbox is like
The ring light thing, bro.
yes, because when we like filmed our old videos, we don't have any sort of equipment. So now,
Yeah, so I ordered for them this ring light. We
Okay.
just received it today from Shopee. So Haitam will go for unboxing, guys. Thank you for supporting our videos. I hope you still continue
For a
helping
second.
us, guys. Please naman, paki-subscribe. Oh, ito yung Aming lights.
oh shit, we have to assemble it.
Yeah, you have to do assemble. So at least guys, meron na kaming lights. So wala kasi kaming lights eh, yung phone lang gamit namin. So ngayon, pinag-orderan ko sila kahit papano. So what is that, Isham?
We have
Kahit papano, may gamit na kami guys. So this is the ring.
manuals. We don't need manuals.
Ano lagi na? Kami, at least hindi na kami mahihirapan.
Kung nag-uba. Oh, dede.
How? What is this for? I think I'm supposed to put it in here.
How the hell do you do this?
I think I am stupid. Wait.
So why? There's no instruction? Naka na instruction diha gibutang good.
Left, right, left.
Asa man
Oh
to?
no. Oh, so it's like the opposite direction.
Pwede man na siya mataas. Ha? Dili di siya taas. Pila ko to ka centimeter? Pwede man na.
What?
Hindi nila alam paano mag-ano guys. Hindi nila alam paano maglagay na paano ano niyan.
It's a microphone stand and
No, it's not a microphone. I
It
didn't
is a
order.
microphone stand. What are you trying to say?
Yan
Oh,
yung
yeah.
para sa lights.
Oh.
Wala.
Uy,
Wala.
The hell?
bakit kasi like,
Ang gulo.
nahirapan kasi kami palagi eh pag nag-vlog kami. Wala talaga kaming kagamit-gamit guys. Kaya nga nag-order kami. Kahit pa paano, liliwanag naman yung aming vlog. So follow the instruction there in the box.
Yeah, if only there were.
Mayroon din yan yung phone holder. May phone holder ba kasama?
Ow!
See, I told you. Kumpleto yan eh, di ba?
I'm trying to solve this.
So next time, pag nag-vlog tayo, may light na tayo.
Everything for like three tries.
Saan yung pagbutang?
I can't even complete this. Oh my god.
Anong nabutang ko? Di taon.
Oh.
It's equivalent of 2 items man ang ginorder na ako.
Kulang.
Anong kulang? Di, ano yun, holder at saka ano guys. Hirap talaga pag walang ano. Pag
Yeah, 2 items I think.
din.
Per chart.
Yung isa, nag-order ko para sa phone holder.
Ew! Ow! Tora de ay. Tora de ay.
Dua.
Uba daw. Are you sure?
Still don't know how you do this.
Oh, naon din na di.
Dili, hindi siya mataas siya. It will not extend.
This is bullshit. How do you do this? What? Can I?
Oh.
Oh my god.
You check na lang in the YouTube how.
Guning masulod.
Dang.
Bukan eh.
Oh, I guess that's it. We can't. We are stupid. Bali mo ni.
Cik beli darum na gudu.
Baka may. Sama ni. I think it's since doon pa this.
Dua deh.
Yes.
You look at the kuan. Tanawa ba sa butanganan ba?
Ay, doon nagabo? Damn.
Kana kay parang sa babaw kanay kay.
Dili man na microphone good ang kuan.
Mani microphone.
Microphone.
Dili gani, it's light ra gid na siya, guys.
Susoy.
Hmm.
How the? I think you're supposed to do this. No? Wala ba? Sige, sige.
Sige. Kasi ko dagdag mo pa.
Still struggling, guys, on how to fix this. Nanood muna kami ng YouTube kasi hindi namin alam kung paano to gagawin.
I think I made a horrible mistake.
Oh, hi Tam. Si Luna ang finifix mo ah.
What?
So,
I made a horrible mistake. Hindi na may bot. Shit. Oh, wait na.
Amay may
So-
lingling pambaking 7 a.m. in the morning.
so dapat i-fix siguro niyang ganyan. Uy, hi Tam.
What is this one?
So, sandali lang guys ha, hindi pa talaga namin maayos. Gumana pala yung ilaw, hi Tam. So we ordered here this one guys from Shopee oh. Kahit papano oh.
Wait lang.
Maganda na talaga yung light hi Tam oh. See? Wow guys, happy na talaga kami kahit papano. Finally guys, na-fix din ni Hisham.